Come on, friends, let's have some fun. Today we're going to learn about numbers. Are you ready? Great! Numbers are what we use to count. So we will be playing a fun game to learn about numbers. We will see some items on the screen, and I need you to tell me how many they are. Are you ready? Great! Let's do this. On the screen we can see apple, ball, and orange. Can you see them? Great! Let's point and count the number of apple on the screen. Find the apple and click on it to count the number. Can you see the apple? Correct. There's only one apple on the screen, and this is how we write 1. Now let's find the oranges on the screen and know their numbers. Great! That's orange number 1. Let's find orange number 2. Yes, that's orange number 2. So we have 2 oranges on the screen. Let's count them. Orange 1 and orange 2. How many balls do we have on the screen? Let's find them. Yes, that's ball number 1. Can you see any other ball on the screen? Alright, let's find the other balls. Correct. That's ball number 2. There's one more ball on the screen. Let's find it. Let's find it. Great! That's ball number 3. So we have 3 balls on the screen. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Great! So we have 1 apple, 2 oranges, and 3 balls. Great job, guys! Now you can count 1 to 3. Well done. Bye-bye.